Guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox age verification not working. So, a lot of people have tried to do the age verification where the AI gets to scan your face and puts you in a particular grade, like a age grade. And some tried theirs and it's not working, or maybe the AI is saying they're lesser than their age or higher than their age, probably. So, how do you get to fix this? So, first of all, what you need to do is you make sure your Roblox account, your Roblox app is actually updated, has been updated, the app. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for Roblox and Roblox. All right. And once you click on that, make sure it's updated. And once it's not updated, once you can see updates, click on update and update it. So once you update the app, you log out from your Roblox account and log in back. So once you do that, it's going to refresh, and once you get refreshed, you can now do the age verification again, and it's going to work out perfectly fine. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.